The concept of a y-intercept is that when x is 0, y is a specific value. So we want to find that y-intercept. So let's go ahead and make x 0 in the function. So we have 3 times 2 to the 0 plus 1. And they're saying that the output, so f of x, is k. Now we could use solver because k is to the first power, but this is pretty straightforward. Keep in mind on our math reference document, more specifically if we go to page 34, which is side 3, we have properties of exponents. The one that we're dealing with here is the fifth property where anything to the 0 power is 1. So this 2 to the 0 is 1, and then I have 3 times 1, which is 3, plus 1 is 4, which makes the correct answer D. And then finally, one more approach is you could use Desmos. So let's go ahead and click on Desmos in the upper right corner. If you would have had any functions, you would have clicked the gear icon and delete all. And then we'll go ahead and type this in. And I'm honestly going to even keep it in this function notation. And I'm going to put everything the way that I see it. Now remember, you could go to the keyboard to do the exponent. I just like to type Shift 6, which is the caret feature. Once I type the exponent, notice I'm going to have to press. Actually, I thought you had to press right. Now that I think about it, you could just press plus right away. Because as we saw in a previous question in this section, the only way to make it so it's an exponent more than just, let's say in this case, x, is I would have had to do parentheses anyway. But since I'm just doing x, once I press plus, it drops down for me. So we'll go ahead and type this in. And then notice we're looking for when x is 0, what's y? And they actually highlight that for us because a y-intercept is a key characteristic. So we can see it right here. The y-coordinate is 4. So again, the correct answer is D. Now, what else I could have done is instead plug in 0 using this function notation. So I could just type in 0 for x. And notice it gives us the y-coordinate is 4, making the correct answer D.